President Donald Trump didn't beat around the bush with any of the world's leading economic powers. Some say at times it appeared the G7 summit was really the G6 against the U.S. But the president insists that is not true. He says he only wants what's fair for America. Weijia Jiang is in Quebec City, Canada, with the story.
No tariffs, no barriers. That's the way it should be.
President Trump demanded America's top trading partners end all tariffs.
We're like the piggy bank that everybody's robbing. It's going to stop. Or we'll stop trading with them.
And the president warned America would win any trade war if they tried to retaliate against new tariffs on imported steel and aluminum.
We win that war 1,000 times out of 1,000.
Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau was not intimidated. Canada is moving ahead with new trade tariffs July 1st.
Applying equivalent tariffs to the ones that the Americans have unjustly applied to us.
President Trump tweeted that it was that press conference that caused him to instruct U.S. representatives not to endorse a joint statement vowing to work on easing trade barriers.
Despite all of the tough talk, President Trump insists he got along with all the other world leaders in the summit. Instead, he blamed trade deficits on his predecessors.
I would say the relationship is a 10. And I don't blame them. I blame, as I said, I blame our past leaders for allowing this to happen.
Now the president is heading to Singapore, where he will sit down for a face-to-face meeting with Kim Jong-un. He said it won't take long to determine if Kim is serious about denuclearization.
How long will it take to figure out whether or not they're serious? I said maybe in the first minute.
The summit is scheduled to begin on Tuesday. Weijia Jiang, CBS News, Quebec City, Canada.
Since leaving Canada, the president has tweeted about Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, saying Trudeau acted meek and mild during the meetings, only to change his tune once President Trump left. The president called his behavior, quote, very dishonest and weak.